Hi there. These are the pedals. If you can see, there is left and the right. So the right goes on the right side of the bike and the left goes on the left. If you try to swap it around, the threads will be gone, and then basically the bike will be, you won't be able to install the pedals on it. That's one thing. And then there is a charger in the white box, which you need to charge the battery because it's not charged up. And it comes with accessories. So this is a quick release for the front wheel. This is the Allen keys. It comes with it. And if you look here, it has two. If the tire is flat, it can help you to remove the tire, change the tube or the tire, whatever is required. People do get confused with this, thinking there is something it need to be installed. There is nothing it need to be. It is just to help the customer removing the tire if the tire is flat. When they install the bike, make sure you have checked all the nuts and bolts is properly tightened, because if it is not tightened, the wheel will come out of the dropouts, spun out, and just snaps the wire, and that will invalidate your warranty. And then there are a few more bits. If I show you, if you look here, this will be for the light to be installed on the side. Sorry, will be for the light to be installed in the front, not side. I'm sorry, I apologize. Yeah, so this is for the light to be installed in the front. And there are mud guards. Seat and seat post should be simple, but we advise strongly to take it to the professional electric bike shop to install all these things. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.